taking down the volume. Good afternoon, guys. Hope you guys are good. Obviously, it's your boy Leadership. I got good news, guys. I got good news, really great news. I feel like I'm being delayed with the whole Leadership Free Empowerment Tour, with my tour to touch Africa. The more I'm being delayed, the longer it takes for me to actually see my vision come alive. So I've made some few decisions. I've changed some few things around in and out of my team, and we actually finalized today that we're actually gonna run things differently from now on. And regarding the Free Empowerment Tour, there's big news. Things are about to change. Please tune into my live video tonight, 8:30. I'll be live speaking on everything that's going to happen, and you don't want to miss it. 8:30 tonight, tune in Central African time. I'll be speaking everything empowerment, everything tour, and everything that regards that. You don't want to miss it. See you guys tonight. Appreciate it. Thank you.